folks, I'm gonna try yet another Minnesota State Park attempt. And I gotta tell you folks, it is over 50 degrees today on December 23rd. As my sister would say, the day before, the night before, the day before, the night before Christmas. But in any event, unusually warm. I cannot remember the last green Christmas we've had here. And I've been here more than 20 years now, so. But in any event, doing some work on this road. I wonder if they're just going to leave the bridge out for good or what. But this is a beautiful waterway. I haven't fished it above the bridge for quite a long time. I think we'll give her a shot here. It's kind of slow and maybe we'll find a fish or two. I think we're going to see quite a bit of spawning fish, actually. Let's give silver number 9 teardrop a shot. Not seeing any effect of silver that I like, so I'm going to switch back. Was very one-sided the last park trip I had, but still no fish to hand, folks. Still no fish to hand. So we'll go with a gold number 9. It's an oval body. If I remember right, this is about a little heavier than a 1/4 ounce, or right at a 1/4 ounce. It's spinning nicely. There's a fish.
No skunk.
Small brown. There's absolutely no freezing air temperature out here today, folks. I don't mind lifting this fish. My hand is wet. And so gold seemed better. There's just a little brown trout. Beautiful little fish. And there he goes back in. Nobody's even remotely interested, but it's going to be easier to get out and walk up on the trail. See you in a bit. Got a nice ladder there. Minnesota has a nice park system. There's not a lot of streams that are open at this time of year in the state. 6 or 7 places you can fish in the whole state. And with today's weather, I just couldn't pass it up today. Ooh, there's some fish in there. There's a fish, all right. Get my hand nice and wet. Oh, pretty brown. Just a gorgeous brown. Right at about that 10.5 mark. Beautiful fish. There he goes. That felt like a fish. There he is. All right. Alright, so the camera died right when that fish came in. It's about the skinniest 12-inch brown I've ever seen. But he sure is nice. It's nice to get my hands on a fish, and he's in good shape. No problem there. There's a guy on the drop. Nice. He's fighting pretty good. Guy a little bit smaller, about 9, 10.